Okay, it's finished installing Windows, so now I'm just gonna put administrator password, and here you would choose a complex password, more than 7 characters. Finish. Okay, now to log on you need to press Ctrl or Delete, which is the icon here. Ctrl or Delete, and put your password. Okay, the installation of this virtual machine is finished. It's got a brand new operating system, which is Windows 2012 R2. What else we can see here? In HyperV, at the moment is using just 530 megabytes of memory, so which is good. It's saving our memory. Okay, in this demonstration we have seen how to install hypervisor and HyperV. We did install the HyperV in Windows 8.1. You usually would install it on the server 2012 R2, but I just wanted to prove the point that we can install it in 8.1 and install the virtual machine. We have seen a demonstration how to create a virtual machine. Okay, moving on. Virtual machine files, we have .xml files. Now these files are contain the virtual machine configuration details. Then after that we have .bin files. Bin files contain the memory of virtual machine or snapshot that is on saved state. Then we have a .vhd files. VHD files are virtual hard disks files that are used for virtual machines. And then .avhd files. These are the differentiating disk files used for virtual machine or snapshots. When we install the operating system, we have a choice to select none. We can install the operating system later, or we have the choice to choose the ISO, point to disk image file with an ISO extension. You can connect our virtual DVD drive with our physical DVD drive. Integration services. HyperV includes a software package for supported guest operating system that improves integration between the physical computer and the virtual machines. These integration services do provide heartbeat, so the parent partition sends a regular heartbeat to the child partition, which are expected to respond. And the backup allows backup of Windows virtual machine using volume shadow copy services, and then time synchronization enable HyperV to synchronize the operating system clocks with the parent and the child partitions. In this demonstration now I will show you how to install in integration service. Okay, we are inside the virtual machine that we just created, Windows 2012 R2. Go to the desktop of that machine, then I'll choose under Action, Insert Integration Services Setup Disk. Then I'll just choose the Start menu, click on the Start, this PC. Then I'll locate where is the DVD drive, there we go. And we have integrated services set up. So if I double click that, it's going to start installing the Windows integration disk or integration services. But it says this computer is already running the current version of integration services, so there's no need to install that. But that's how you would do it for machines that don't have the current integration disks. Now, optimizing HyperV memory usage, we saw that we can use the startup RAM, specifies the amount of memory required to start the virtual machine. The value needs to be high enough to allow the guest operating system to start, but should be as low as possible to allow for optimal memory utilization. Then minimum RAM specifies the minimum amount of memory that should be allocated to the virtual machine after the virtual machine has started. This value we can get as low as 32 megabytes to a maximum value equal to the starting RAM. Then we have a maximum RAM. We can have up to 1 terabyte maximum RAM. Specifies the maximum amount of memory that the virtual machine is allowed to use. And the memory weight provides HyperV with a way to determine how to distribute memory among virtual machine if there is not enough physical memory available in the computer to give every virtual machine its requested amount of memory. Now I'll show you how to demonstrate you how to optimize HyperV memory usage. So if I go to my virtual machine, click in the file here on the top, and then select settings, and on the settings I will choose a memory, and we see the startup RAM 512. So we're gonna need this virtual machine to start up with RAM. Now we need to enable we have enabled the dynamic memory, so by default 32 MB of RAM minimum, and maximum we have selected 2 GB. We can go up to 1 TB. Then we have a memory buffer, how much memory is going to be on the buffer, and the memory weight, which of them, if the physical machine is running out of memory, how much this machine is going to weight, have a priority over other machines. Select OK here. Okay, so on this lesson we have talked about server virtualization with HyperV. We said the difference between type 2 and type 1 client hypervisors, the hardware requirements that we need for HyperV. Then we talked about licensing, did demonstration installed in HyperV on Windows 8.1. We did create one virtual machine. Then we talked about virtual machine files, installing operating system, and the integration services. We didn't try to install integration services, but we had we didn't have to. And creating a virtual machine, optimizing HyperV memory usage, and then demonstration how to optimize HyperV memory usage. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for being and watching this video. It's been me, Astrid Krasniqi, and hopefully I can see you in the next videos. Bye.